For example, if we want to work with any of our website, then web server is one of the most important part. Here we will deploy our application in web server so that the application will be available in internet. Okay, this is what we discussed. Now we have seen different types of things and all. Now we have different type of web pages or websites available in the world. So that is what static web pages. Okay, so what we have done here is, so I just took the right side of the part now, and I'm trying to, so this part we already completed, like languages. So C# or VB, some language we already learned. So anyway, C# is one of the most powerful language in the world. Yes or no? So we are done with C#. So that's the reason we are going for what? Technology. That is what ASP.NET we went. Okay. So by using technology, what we will implement, we can implement the websites. Again, in technology, we have ASP.NET. So by using that, we can implement web pages. So people see here, we have two types of web pages. One is static web page. One is dynamic web page. Sir, what is static web page? What is dynamic web page? Anyone have idea on it? Yeah, guys, come out of that sleep. Okay, simple. Static web pages means unchanged. Okay, so static web page means unchanged web pages. For example, like your company website. See, there the content won't change, or your college website. These pages won't change at any point of time. See, in our college websites or something, so you don't add, edit, delete any data. Okay, they are unchanged. Dynamic web pages. So the web pages, we can change the values, or we can update the values, we can delete the values. Example for that is Facebook. We can add photos, we can edit photos, we can delete photos. Okay, so this is what dynamic web pages. So by using ASP.NET, we can implement dynamic web pages by using HTML, simple HTML. We can implement static web pages here by using what? ASP.NET. That's it. Got it, guys? Any questions here? Yep. So please note down this one, this diagram. And once you guys are done, please comment here so that I may know, like, okay, you people are done. Otherwise, I don't know, right? I am unable to see you personally. That's the reason. Okay. This two lines also. Static web page, dynamic web page definition. ASP.NET means active server base. So done. Where is the .ent? Is that in book? It's .NET, right? Where is that? Oh, this one. That is NET. Okay. That is ASP.NET. Okay, done. So guys, only 2 lines of page. Okay. Okay. So now, before we start HTML, see, for example, if we want to work with this ASP.NET, definitely we need to know the basics of HTML. So those who did not, so for example, if you people opted for full stack, and if you did not completed, how many of you not completed UI technologies class? Seven. Okay. So like if you opted for, if you people opted for full stack, so please join, please whatever the next available slots we have for this UI technologies or SQL, please join there. Okay. Fine. So see, we have two types of roles available here. One is developer role and one is designer role. Okay. So how many of you want to become a designer? Raise your hands. One. How many of you want to become designer? Raise your hands. Okay, down 3. Oh, still increasing. Now, how many want to become developer? 18, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so see this HTML is little bit interesting. Okay, so a little bit interesting. So I will do something. So I will show you some magic about the HTML. Okay, so later we can start with HTML. Hmm. Basically, you know, HTML. So this web design pages and all. So how it will work? So first, what we need to do, we need to create one notepad. Open that notepad first. So the structure of HTML is HTML and close the HTML tag. This is done. Inside the HTML, we'll have head tag inside and close that head tag HEAD. This is done. Now here keep body tag, close the body tag. Done. After that, inside the head tag, we will have script tag, and here you can close the script tag. Okay, this is what the basic structure of HTML. Okay, now I will write something here. Welcome to HTML. Now see, now we need to save this one as file, save as. You need to save all files, and this one demo.html. Okay, save it. Somewhere this guy got saved. Where it saved? Here. See, this color and this color both mixed, no, but anyway, okay, we'll open this in Chrome. It's better. Now what is the output? Okay, Now what is the output? Welcome to HTML. It came. This is fine, guys. Oh my god. So we finally got the output thanks to that HTML file. Okay. Open with Notepad. Now what I will do, I will make this body is BODY. Here, so here also, and also I will make it this one. HEAD. Now, if I run this one, what will be? So I just saved my application. Now, if I run this one, now what is the output? Tell me now. Yeah. So first point, will we get error or will we get the output? It won't work. That's what one person told error. See, I want answer from everyone. It is interesting. See, the right person, the people the right answer person will get a chocolate. You people don't know the rule, chocolate. Then no changes, we'll get output, no changes. So we change it, right, Sandhya? See, what we change now? Okay, not this one. Here. Open with the notepad. We changed it, right, Sandhya? See, we kept capital BODY, and here we kept head capital letters. So Garima is also saying output will come. See, right answer people will get chocolate. So the people don't want chocolates. Only 6-7 people answered. What about others? Output. So we change something. But okay, we'll see. Some people will tell error. Some people told we'll get output. I don't know, but we'll see what will happen. So we'll get chocolates now. What happened? So Divya, you are too late. So you don't get chocolate. So Bhaskar, Divya Ranjan, so and others, whoever told this error, you're wrong. So we'll get the output. So because HTML is not a case sensitive language. Okay. HTML is not a case sensitive language. Now, okay, fine, that is not case sensitive, but see, this time, our Divya Ranjan and all, they don't miss the chocolate for sure. What I will do, I will remove this body. I will remove this head now. See, now we have head opening tag and we have closing tag of body, but we are not having a closing tag of head and a opening tag of body. Now we'll see what is the output. Now tell me. Now waiting. So how many get? One error, no output, two error, three error. This time error, it won't come close tag, should there error. Just think once. So you people will miss the chocolate for sure. Yes. Yes, Suhashini. You're not answering anything. Ajay Kumar, Ajit Kumar. See, everyone is this time. Everyone is answering. Akhil, Akshay, Anusha, Bhaskar. Divya, Geeta, Sudhakar, Sudhakar Reddy, Maruti, what you will tell? Meera. We'll see now. Okay. So I will close that. What is that? And that windows. Otherwise, you will tell, sir, you opened the old one only, sir. Okay. So see, there is no body. Now everyone is wrong. We got the output because HTML is error-free language also. What is that? HTML is a error-free language also. So people got it? Got the difference now? Shravani, we got the answer. So now I'm closing this one. Now this time what I will do? See, because you people lost the chocolate, this time I don't want you people to lose now. So I removed everything now. Okay? I removed everything now. Now see, what will happen here? Oh my God. Before asking my question, by mistake, it clicked on it. So see, I removed everything there, but still we are getting the output. Yes or no? So because HTML is a error-free language. So people got it now? Any questions? Okay, so now I was asked some question like how many of you want to become a designer and how many of you want to become developer? Yeah, yeah. So designer. So you will start your career with some 3,000 to 5,000 rupees of salary per month. Okay. So after working very, 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 very hard, so they will increment. They will definitely give you 1,000 increment, and you will. So your salary become 6,000 now. Now what happened? You will work there for 2 more years, and you will get some 10,000 rupees. Now you go to your manager and ask him. So I worked here for more than 3 years, 6 years or 5 years. My salary is 10,000. Then he will tell, so we cannot give you more than that. Then, so because the static web pages or something, how much they will get? Some for website they will get some 15,000, 20,000 like that. If they give you 20,000 or 30,000 like that, then what will happen? They can close their company happily. Okay. The other hand, the developer, he will start your career with 10 to 17,000 rupees. Now what happened? You will work there. Every year you will get hike of 10%, 12%, 20% like that. After 2 years, 3 years, you will get beautiful promotion. And if you are not satisfied with the work, simply if you keep resignation, you will get 100% hike. Okay. For example, if you are having 3.6 lakhs package now, after 1 year, you will reach to some 4.8. After 1 more year, you will reach to 6. After 1 more year, see your parents or your friends tell you, hey man, that person is getting 12 lakhs, man. Why you are not changing? Then you will put your papers. Then what will be the outcome? 10 lakhs. So then 10 lakhs. After that, after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, it will reach to what? 30 lakhs. And after reaching some 30 lakhs of package, so your company will say, so your background verification got failed due to some expiration. Will you put your papers or you want us to fire? Then you will say, will you give me 3 months 3 months salary? So then you will ask him like that, but just kidding. But still, see, so your packages will be very much high in developer, but the packages will be less in a designer role. Because see, this HTML don't have anything. It can accept anything. If you delete anything, it is working. If you remove anything, it is working. If you change the case, it is working. Whatever you are doing, it is working. So now people tell me, people want to become developer or designer. People want 10 lakhs package or people want that 10 and 8,000 salary? People are not responding means people don't need a job. Is that correct? So the person who raised hand, what is that? He want a job or he want to become a developer or designer? No, tell me, how many want to become developer? So how many want 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs package, and how many want this 8,000, 96,000 rupees package? Srujna, so what you want to become? Designer? Smita? So Tejashri, what do you want to become? So Ram, you need only 10 lakhs. You don't need some 20 lakhs. Okay, so that's what. So because HTML is easier or something, don't attract towards that. Just learn whatever the syntaxes we used to teach and all. So just learn them. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I will teach. I will start with our HTML, like some basic tags and all syntaxes and all. So up to so I don't teach much on HTML. So we have UI technologies. The session will be there. There they will explain complete HTML. So actually, I'm not supposed to teach this one, but still, okay, up to some point, I will teach HTML. Otherwise, some people may suffer. That's the reason I will teach some point of HTML. Okay. Okay, got it. So now, as I promised, so we'll move back to our C sharp. So yesterday, so we'll quickly for 6-7 minutes, I will do the revision. Okay. So I will go like this Vande Bharat Express. It's super fast. Okay. First thing we have discussed about inheritance. So inheritance is what? Tell me, getting or accessing properties from base class to derived class is called as inheritance. We have four different type of inheritance: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. What is single level inheritance? One base class, one come on, one derived class. So here multi-level, one base class, more than one derived class. So multiple, more than one base class, comma, one derived class. Hybrid. So it is a combination of what? Multi-level and multiple. Okay. So basically, so because of ambiguity situation, class doesn't support multiple inheritance. So in order to achieve multiple inheritance, so we are going for a beautiful concept called interface. Okay. So that is part one elevation of interface, and the part two elevation of interface is, so we need to know some idea on this abstract class. Basically, abstract class. If you want to make a class as abstract, then class name, open brace and closed brace. Inside class we'll have variables, comma, methods. So if you want to make a class as abstract, then what we need to use? We need to use abstract keyword here. Okay, so we'll have additionally abstract methods. So what is the difference between normal method and abstract method? Tell me. So abstract method don't contain method body or definition. Please ignore spelling mistakes. Your visuals are don't know that much English. Okay, and it don't contain method body or definition. It contains method heading only. Got it now? Okay, so it's still 35 minutes. Okay, we have enough time. I don't need to charge. Okay, now here. So here we'll have method heading and method body. So in order to provide body to abstract methods, so some other class needs to inherit this abstract class and it should provide body to the abstract method. So this is what we have discussed yesterday. Now we have, now we'll go for this boss concept, interface. So now the definition of interface, I will tell now, this is my own definition. I will tell something here. So just follow that. We'll see. Okay, interface. I will prove this one. It is an agreement between itself and its implemented classes. So, okay, so people see here. So this is so much interesting. I will make it more interesting for you guys. Okay, so this C# and Microsoft is struggling to implement the multiple inheritance in our C#. So then what happened? They were struggling and they are crying. And finally, this Microsoft people are thinking like, how can we implement this multiple inheritance? And they are unable to know what to do. So, and this Java people and other people, C#, C++ and other people came and they are saying, so we have, they are teasing C#. So you are Microsoft's most powerful language, but you don't know how to implement multiple inheritance. Okay. Then the boss came. So he's what interface and he told. So then he came to the C# and he told. So, okay. I will help you to implement multiple inheritance. I will help you to implement multiple inheritance, but I have some set of rules and restrictions. So if you follow my rules, what is that? If you follow my rules, I can help you to implement multiple inheritance. Okay. So, so this guy, then what happened? So what happened, like, so these people are struggling, then they told like, okay, we are happy to follow your rules, and we will listen your words, whatever you tell, we are ready to accept. Then what happened? So we have, then one interface came. That the syntax for declaring interface is interface name. I will keep Nokia as interface. And so now what will happen here? Void SMS. So what is this method type now? Tell me, can someone tell me? I kept semicolon means what is this one? So yes, this interface methods by default always abstract methods. What is that? By default always abstract methods. So now, so this guy kept some rules and restrictions, and we'll see that. And after that, so one more interface we created. That is what new Nokia. Here we'll keep some camera and Bluetooth. Okay. So now, okay. Now what happened? After some time, one class called class name Nokia 1100 came. Then he told, so hi Nokia interface, I want to inherit you. Then he said, oh, okay, happily you can inherit me, but you need to follow my what? You need to follow my rules. Perfect. So now this 1100 guy asked him, and what is your rules? See, if you want to inherit me, you need to implement all the methods inside interface. What is that rules? If you want to inherit me, you need to implement all the methods inside the interface. Okay, that's what they told. Now see, then this 1100 told, okay boss, I will implement. Okay, then yeah, then you can inherit me. Then this guy inherited. So now what will happen? Void SMS. So console dot write line, something we can keep dummy text. Console dot write line, you can send SMS here. And similarly, the other method also. What is the other method? Call, right? You can call here. So now fine. So now what happened, like, after some time, someone came. Hey, what happened? Okay, class Nokia 7210. So this guy told, sir, our friend Nokia 1100 inherited only Nokia, but I will inherit both interfaces. Will you accept me? Then what he told? Tell me. If you want to inherit that, but you need to follow my. What is that? You need to follow my. You need to follow my what? Rules. So then he kept Nokia, comma, new Nokia, because he needs to follow the rules. Now what happened? And this guy needs to implement both of the methods. Okay. Then he need to implement what? Camera, and what is that? What is the other one? Bluetooth. So now void Bluetooth. Okay. So now tell me, console dot write line Bluetooth. Now what happened? What happened in middle? So this 7210 realized, and he told, oh Nokia, I want only Bluetooth method only. I don't need camera method. So I don't want to implement that method. Now what will happen? Simple. So he told, what he told, boss, if you want to inherit me, you need to follow my rules and you need to implement all my methods. Okay. But this guy don't need a camera, but still what he's saying, this guy is saying like, you need to implement, there is no option for you. But still he don't want to implement. Then what happened? So our target is what? To achieve multiple inheritance, but it's thrown one error now. Then all the classes came to Nokia 7210 and told, boss, please accept his rules and implement all the methods. If you want or if you don't want, so please implement. Then only we can achieve the multiple inheritance. Then what he told? Okay, with all the anger and all, finally accepted. Now he accepted and he implemented. Console.write line. Camera feature. This is done. After some time, what happened? So one more class came. Now tell me suggest me some Nokia model. So class Nokia. Suggest me some Nokia model, guys. You don't know what is the Nokia model also, guys. So I will keep 3310. I don't know what is that 3310, but still 6600. This guy, what he told, he's so much lazy person, and he told, sir, I will inherit one class and one interface. What is the class name? 1100. So Nokia NOKIA 1100. So, and I want to inherit this one. So then what he told, buddy, so if you want to inherit me, you can inherit me. So I don't know about this class. Whatever the understand, you both are classes, and if you have any understanding, you can follow that. But if you want to inherit me, you need to implement, you need to follow my rules. What is these rules? If interface consists of 100 methods, when we are trying to inherit that interface, we need to implement all the 100 methods. So now people got it. So for example, if one interface is having 100 methods, if one class is trying to inherit that interface, we need to inherit those 100 methods of the interface. This is one of the most important interview question. So okay, so now what happened? So we anyway, when we inherited, all the Nokia 1100 methods will come, and he needs to implement what? He needs to implement new Nokia methods. Wired SMS, wired Bluetooth and camera. So finally they implemented. That's it. Now this is what multiple inheritance. This is how we can achieve multiple inheritance by using interface concept. Now see, what is my definition? It is an agreement between itself and its implemented classes. So see, these two are two interfaces, and they are keeping some agreement between this interface and its implemented classes. Yes or no? They are keeping one agreement between that interface and the inherited classes, means that implemented classes. Will you guys agree with me for the definition? So it is an agreement between this interface and the class. So who is implementing? The class. So what is the definition of interface? It is an agreement between itself and its implemented classes. Now I will unmute someone. Akhil. Gopi. Akshay. Divyani.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the definition of interface? It is an agreement between. Yeah, tell me. Unmuted. Muted. Okay. So it is an agreement between itself and its implemented classes. So what is this doubt? So much wrong. Let's take, there are two classes, and one class wants one method from the interface, and other class wants another method from same interface. Is this feasible? No. Okay. So now we'll see a real-time example for the same program. So are you guys clear with the interface concept? Yes, no, please tell me. See, I need more answers, then only I will understand. One person answers or two-person answers, that won't help me. So please answer. everyone. See, otherwise I don't. I will just go to ASP.NET and I will start explaining them. Why? Because of the people's interest only I am explaining, and if people are not even responding for my questions and answers, then why should I explain? Just tell me. Okay, so people see here. So I have one interface, same Nokia, new Nokia, send SMS and call. Here I have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay. Here Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now people say here, my Nokia 1100 is one class. So I will remove. So what are the interface methods in our Nokia? Yeah, send SMS and call. So my 1100 is trying to inherit that Nokia. I will remove one method here. Now what happened? So we got the error. So if you are inheriting interface, then you need to implement all the methods inside that particular interface. For suppose, so that is implemented. So what is this one now? This is called as multiple inheritance. So this Nokia is one interface, and new Nokia is one more interface. So if I remove any of the methods, see, then see we got the error here. I will remove this one also. See, we got the error at two interface. So in order to avoid that error, so we need to implement all the methods inside the interface. So, and one more thing, so this multiple inheritance is possible in different ways. One is two interfaces and one class and one interface. Okay. See, this is class and interface. Now, what I will do, I will just change the order of these two things. See, if we keep the class name as second in inheritance process, then it is throwing error. So always we need to keep class name as first and interface name as second. Okay. And the last point of interface is we cannot create object to interface. So can someone tell me why it is? What is the reason? So because interface is not a class. So Nokia equals to C. Cannot create an instance of abstract type or something or interface. So we cannot create an object to interface. That's it. So now previous class links. So Sudhakar, uh, so I have shared multiple times our admin number. So please connect with our admin Hari Prasad. He will help you. So this is our admin number. Okay, that's it. So any questions now? Any questions? So are you guys good with interface? Now this is how we can achieve multiple inheritance in C#. So people can note down this program. Interface definition is it is an tell me definition agreement between itself and it's implemented process. Okay, just note on the program. First thing, See, interface is used for reusability, code reusability purpose. So we never create two methods of same name with two different interface. Just to note down that method, that is fine. Why? Because console.writeLine is common everywhere. This object creation related, note down. Does anyone have any questions, guys? Yes, Swapnil, tell me.
Yeah, hi, Vishwas. Okay, my
Chap-
question is, if the in child class,
Hmm.
yeah, you have inherit the class and the interface, and there is already in base class that we can, implement the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth method. When we create the object of child class, so when we object dot, we can call the method, then which method it is call.
So the child class method will call. So if
Mhm.
you want both, then we have one more option called base start that method name. Then what will happen? Both the methods will be called. So
Okay.
like this here, base dot oh my god. So this base is not even recognizing. So that is there in one of the overriding concept. So I will just show you. Overriding. So I will quickly show you. See, this sum method we have here in a child class, and also this sum method implemented here also. Okay. If you want to get both the classes output, then see, you can keep based or sum here. Then this method output will come, and this method output also will come here. Okay. So I can show you that here. See, for understanding purpose, I have given dummy methods and all, but in real time, we cannot use like that. So I need to show all the scenarios. That's the reason. The sum is 30 and sum is 600. So 600 is here, the derived class, and that 30 from here. Okay, is that answer for your question, Swapnil?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, clear. So yeah, are you guys done, or anyone have any questions? Fine. Thanks all for joining. So we'll meet tomorrow. We'll continue with all other ASP.NET related topics. So and so see, please connect with our admin Hari Prasad for fee related issues and queries. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.